What's up and welcome to Guiding Bolt. Today we're talking AC unit hacks. Oh no, you say? I have a crank window, also known as a casement window. Boy, I sure do wish I had one of those windows that open by sliding up and down or left and right. Well, guess what? No worries. You too can enjoy the sweet, sweet relief of an AC unit, even though you have a crank window. Enter. Da-da-da-da! Yeah, she's not much to look at, but guess what? It's cheap, easy, and simple to install. All you need is a floor or portable AC unit, and you too can vent this out your window even though you have a crank set up. So all you need to do is cut out a sheet of cardboard that is the size of your window. So you're going to want to pop out the screen that is set up in your window, and then you'll just measure across and up and down. Remember, measure twice, cut once, and then just tape that sucker in there. And then it also helps if you cover the back side, the side that's on the outside, cover that entire side with tape. That'll help it be a little bit more moisture proof, especially if you accidentally leave your window open when it's raining out. And with something like cardboard where it does like to absorb moisture, it's helpful if you tape up a crossbar here to help it from warping. These are just 2 wooden yard stakes, easy to find at a craft or hardware store, and those add a little bit more support to it. And that's it, you guys. That's the easy AC hack. It allows you to get that cool air into your bedroom to help you sleep at night during those hot summer nights, even though you can't use a window unit. And guess what? It's ugly, but dun 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 dun, ta-da! Problem solved. If you do want to go a route that's a little bit more time consuming, costs a little bit more money, you can instead pick up a sheet of plexiglass or acrylic. That will of course be see-through, so it will let the light in and allow you to continue to use your window during the summer. But man, those sheets are a little bit expensive, and of course it'll require tools to then cut it out to the size you need. The other benefit of going with a sheet of acrylic or plexiglass is that you will be able to reuse it next summer again. You could maybe reuse this next summer, but let's be honest with ourselves. You and I both know you're going to receive a lot of large Amazon boxes, mostly filled with air, between now and next summer, so you'll easily be able to acquire another sheet of cardboard you can use next summer if you don't want to upgrade and continue to go the cheap and dirty route. So that's our quick AC hack today. I hope you guys enjoy your summer and stay comfortable indoors.